The island of Oʻahu is at the exact age that we get to see some gems of natural resources. Going out for a hike and adventure on a trail in Hawaii can be very exciting, and sometimes we don't think of the things that we should be mindful of. Before you go hiking, make sure you've researched the trail, ensure that it's a public trail that you can access. Also check the weather. Look and see if it's going to be a rainy day. Learn if that's going to be a problem. You'll see a station or an area where you can wash your shoes. If you might be carrying some seeds, make sure to clean that off. Non-native invasive species can be aggressive in the way that they grow, and they also change the ecological function. When you're hiking, stay on the trail. That's where you will be the safest. The trails are established in areas that have already experienced human impact, but it also ensures that we're not trampling through an area that we could cause some harm to.